In this video, we'll be sharing with you how we can improve the efficiency of our task management using AI within Phoenix CRM. So what we can do is go into the CRM part and go into our tasks. And you might like to go to your overdue tasks. As you can see here, I've got some tasks that I need to do. And what I can do, just to make it easier when I'm doing my follow-ups, I can even sort on the task types. So I've got my buyer follow-ups here, and I've got my appraisal follow-ups here as well. If I want to do a buyer follow-up, I have the option of being able to do with AI. Now, by clicking on Do with AI, Phoebe, our AI assistant, will review all the data against the task. And this task is saying that AJ was wanting an inspection at 4 p.m. on Saturday due to work. So what Phoebe will do is look at that data and come up with a suggested email or a text message or a bit of a call script that we can use when ringing that person. If I wanted to send the email, I just click Create Email. It will open the email composer, of which I can review the message, make my amendments, and send. If I want to send a text message, again, I can click Create SMS. I can change the replies to go to my number. There's the message, and I can send that as well. Once I've done that task, I can just mark it off as being done and move on to the next one. If I was looking at an appraisal task, again, I could click Do with AI. And in this one here, the description is saying that this person will be selling in 1 month. So again, Phoebe will go through and customize that message to make it relevant to that person about selling in 1 month. Same as before, we can either send an email or an SMS and then mark that task as being done. Another way you can use AI within task management is when you're looking at contact records. So if I wanted to search a particular contact, I find Luke. And if I go to the tasks, you can see there's a couple of outstanding tasks here. This one here is where Luke is thinking of selling in December. Needs to upsize and sell before buying, but is in two minds about selling or renovating. So once again, I have the option of being able to do with AI. And like before, Phoebe's going to suggest an email or an SMS that I can send. But I might like to take it a little bit further. What I want to do is, and I've just rewritten this, but I'd like Phoebe to write me an email on the benefits of selling rather than doing a renovation. So I type that into my message area down here. I click send, and Phoebe's going to go about writing me a specific email on why this person should consider selling rather than going through the process of renovating. Once again, I can create that email. I can review the information. I can add to it if I wanted to. You can see the subject line here is saying benefits of selling versus renovating your home, and I can send that off to that person. So these are just a couple of ways that you can use AI with your task management. If you'd like to explore this further, please let us know.